Labubu. Labubu. We got the version that is exciting macarons. So macarons, it's a fake one.
It's a fake?
Fake.
No. I don't want it. It's a fake. A flash. It's right here. It's right there. It's written. The box. It's not Labubu. It's a flash. Oh, it's not Labubu. It's just a cartoon. You just cover it. You just put a scratch tape and put some things inside. Oh, that's paper. That's a composition. Paper.
What?
Oh, you're a fraud. Why are you selling fake Labubus? Hey, you, stop living. Stop selling. You're a scam. You're a sim. You're a scam.
Which one did we get? One.
Hey, where are you putting that?
Secret.
It's not secret.
God, I need to. I don't want to look at the card. I need to see the card. Is it? We got. Oh, we got Sophie. Sophie. Bye bye. Study part 2.